Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today I am going to teach you very interesting technique which will be very useful in your daily life. How can we take a screenshot? In Microsoft Word we can take any screenshot. How can we take? Just open Word document, go to the insert, and there you will find a screenshot. Just press screen clipping. It will ask you which area you want to take. I just want to take this area. You will see the area which you are selected is here. Now the formatting picture tool is also available for this picture. I want to make a painting of this picture. For doing this, I just go to the artistic effect and select paint brush. It is very simple to make any painting in Microsoft Word. I just want to change the direction of this picture. For this I just go to the rotate and flip horizontal. Now it is good. You can do quick style option and use this option to make a better look. You will see it is a very good painting. You can make any painting by using Microsoft Word. Hope these tips will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.